Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Stache, and today we together are going to make potato salad. I love potato salad, and I cannot stand the potato salad they have in grocery stores. And if you want to know how to make potato salad, it's simple. It's like 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to show you the steps. What you're going to need to make this is very simple. Celery, 2 stalks of celery. Here we go. 2 stalks of celery, 2 carrot, a whole bunch of pickles. Now I use dill pickle, but if you don't like them sour, then you'll probably want to go to sweet dill, but I like them sour. Red onion, very important that it's red onion because red onion is sweet, and I love a sweet onion. I have 5 potatoes. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with those in just a second. Salt and pepper. Salt and pepper. Here we go. And mayonnaise. And yes, some mustard. It's that simple. So let me show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to take the potatoes. I have over on the stove, currently boiling, hot water. And I'm going to take the potatoes and I'm going to put them in there ever so gently, so you don't want to burn yourself. And I'm going to put them in there, and when I do this, they're going to cook forever. Come with me. Oh, let's see. Oh, I can do this. I'm here. I'm here. Here we go. As you can see, it's really, 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 really hot. Ooh, girl. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. Put them in. Oh my God. Okay. I don't want to burn myself along with it. And I'm going to turn the flame up just a little bit. I have gas cooking, you can probably tell here. But if you don't, works basically the same. But I do prefer gas. Anyway, when I'm done with the potatoes, and they're going to boil, and the way you're going to know that they're done is take a knife and stab them. And if it goes in really, really, really easily into the potato, they're done. That's all you have to do. Take them off the stove, put them in the sink, and start running cold water over them. Okay, next, take a red onion, cut it in half. You're going to peel the little red wrapper off of it, and you're going to dice it. It's real simple. I'll show you. Celery, same thing. You're just going to cut it down the center, and then you're going to chop it up. Very simple. And basically the same thing with the carrot, only I want you to cut it lengthwise. And when it's cut in half, I then want you to cut it again. And then we chop like this. Very simple. Same thing with the pickles. Down one side, cut them in half, and then chop this way. That's all you have to do. It's that simple. So we're going to have all this ready. When the potatoes are done, they're drained. Then we peel them. And once they're peeled, we put everything that we've already prepared into it, along with mayonnaise and mustard, salt and pepper, and voila, it's done. It's that wonderful. Okay, guys, let's assemble. This is the fun part. So what we're going to do is I have the potatoes. I'm just going to cut them lengthwise once, lengthwise twice. Ooh. That gluten in there is really coming through. It's a little sticky. And then I'm just going to cut them in larger pieces and just put them in the bowl. Now, eventually, as you start assembling this, they're not going to stay in large pieces. They're going to start falling apart because, as you can tell, they crumble easily. I mean, that was like perfect, wasn't it? They crumble easily. Whoops, see? I'll just put that one in there and just chop them up. Nothing precise. You can do it just the way you want to do it. There we go. Okay, prior to me getting to this particular point, I stabbed the potatoes while they were boiling, and just to make sure that they're really soft. As you can tell, look at that. They're really soft. That's what you want. You don't want it slightly hard at all. Then I did that. Then I poured all the water out in the sink, and I poured cold water around the tap over it and let the cold water cool them down because they're really hot. And even now they're hot, and it's kind of hard to manage all this. And then Hey guys, this is Stache. I'm currently editing this video and I realized I missed a crucial step. The potatoes need to be peeled. It's that simple, but I forgot to say it. So please peel your potatoes before you chop them up. And then we'll just put that in this pile here. This is so easy peasy. You can do it. The biggest torture is when you're done, it needs to cool down. You got to put it in the refrigerator, and you can't well, you can try it a little bit, but it always tastes better when everything melds together. So, okay, we got all that in there. Let me get all that done. Okay, what we're going to do right now is we're going to combine all the ingredients. This is where the flavor comes in. So, I did use a half of a red onion. I didn't want to use the whole red onion. It just seemed like quite a bit when I cut up half of it. So, I put that in there. I have the celery I'm putting in. Some are jumping ship, as usual in a kitchen. You always have to come along and clean up. Did that. Did the carrots. Carrots in here. Boy, this is filling that bowl up, isn't it? I may have to get a different spoon other than this wooden spoon. There, got all that in there. And the pickles. And that's all the ingredients that go in here. It's that simple. Except now I'm going to put in a tablespoon. I use kosher salt. Tablespoon of kosher salt. I'm going to use about a half a tablespoon of pepper, ground black pepper. And I'm going to let me just incorporate this right now. Look at that. Oh, God. I'm so hungry. My stomach is just growling. This is making it even worse. There we go. Oh, look at that. Is that gorgeous? Is that gorgeous? Okay, so we incorporate all this in. Now the mayo. Mayo's wonderful, but you could overdo mayo. So I suggest I'm going to put in probably 3 spoonfuls of it right now. And I'm just going to incorporate it in and see what the texture is. I don't like it all goopy and gloppy and ugh, that's awful. You know, some people love mayonnaise. I'm not one of them, so I have to have a little bit at a time. And it's going to require more here. You know, we're going to see at the end about how much it does require. I'm going to probably put in, let's do that again. Oh, now it's really looking good. Look at that. Oh, gosh. Oh, wow. I'm so excited. Oh. I hope you enjoy my videos. Please subscribe, by the way. You know, this one should be a pleaser. Okay, I think I'm going to put a little bit more in here, but I first want to put in some mustard. And this is just yellow mustard, not Dijon. Dijon has, what, I think it has wine in it or something. That's probably about 2 tablespoons. Let's see how that works, okay? It just adds that little bit of vinegar taste to it. Look at that. What do you think? Looking good? Notice, I think I'm going to put a little bit more mayonnaise in here. I think it needs it. And then I'm going to test it. Whoa, I'm throwing it all over the place. I'm out of control. Probably the reason, I'm going to blame it on the bowl. Okay, here we go. Oh my God, this is a workout. How about a little bit more mayonnaise? So in total, I think this will be enough. In total, I used half of a 30-ounce bottle, so 15 ounces of mayonnaise in there. Okay, let's see. And some mustard along the side there. Oh, that looks so good. Now, I'm going to get a spoon, and I'm going to test it and see if there's enough salt and enough pepper. So, just perfect. Absolutely perfect. It's wonderful. That's it. That's all you have to do to make potato salad. Please, if you enjoy my videos, please subscribe to the channel. And also, pardon me, I'm so hungry. Please click on the bell below and you'll get notifications every time I put up a new recipe. I'm looking forward to having you in my family. Have a great day.